Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'll show you how to create paper folding text effect in Illustrator. So we have some text, a letter here, and first we need to transform it into ordinary shape. And there are several ways to do this. It is called create outline. So let's select the text, right click on the mouse, and here we have create outline. Second way is select the text, go to type, and here again we have this option. And personally I always use as a shortcut Control Shift O if you are working on Windows operational system. So I'm going to use this shortcut, and here you can see that this object is not text anymore, it's an ordinary object now. Let's ungroup it and select this knife tool and cut some part of it. Okay. Now I'm going to apply gradient, and then I'm going to transform it and adjust. Okay. I'll show you later how to fix these points, but first I want to adjust this gradient direction here. Okay, like this. Now let's zoom in. Here you can see that we have this kind of mismatches, but don't worry, there is a very easy way to fix this kind of mismatches. Select both of them and just select lasso tool here and select these 2 points. Right click on the mouse, average, both should be selected, and OK, and just repeat here. Okay, that's it. It's very easy. Now I'm going to apply some shadows to this little part. Select this, go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow, and you can regulate these settings as you want. So that's it. It's very easy. Now I want to mention that there is different ways to cut some part of this object. I use this knife tool, but if you want to have a very straight line, you can use line segment tool, for example, like this, and then we should select both of them, go to Pathfinder. If this is not visible, you can go to Window and find this option, Pathfinder, and then click the white option, right, and ungroup them, and here we have this part. So it's up to you what tool is comfortable for you, or actually it's dependent on your purpose, what you're going to do and what is better tool for your work. So thanks for watching and good luck.